This is how you set up call forwarding on your phone. Call forwarding basically means when you get a phone call on your phone, it either rings once or doesn't ring at all, and then the call is forwarded to a different phone number in a different phone. There are two ways to do this. One's the easy way, one's the hard way. The one that you get to do depends on what your carrier provides you, what your cell phone carrier provides you. So let's do the easy way first, and hopefully that works. If that doesn't work, I'll show you the hard way. So let's go into the settings, and we're in the main settings page. Let's scroll all the way down until we get to apps, and then tap on that, and then tap on P on the right-hand side, and then tap on phone. On this page, scroll all the way down, or not all the way, scroll down till you see call forwarding, tap on that, and we can see that we can just turn this on. And then we tap on forward to, and we type in a phone number, and then that phone number is where our calls are going to be forwarded to. If your cell phone provider does not provide this service, then you will not have the option to turn this on or add a phone number. If that's the case, or to double check on that first, go into the phone app, tap on the keypad, and tap in *#21# and then phone that number. And here it shows we have call forwarding on all calls disabled, because I didn't actually turn that on. But if that option doesn't even exist on your phone and it says disabled here, then you likely don't have that option enabled by your carrier. There's a bunch of other interesting information here as well. But we can tap on dismiss after we've seen that call forwarding piece, and then we can manually create a call forwarding number. To do that, all you do is type in *72 followed by the phone number, whatever that phone number may be. 9 digits, not even counting. There it is. Oh, that's one too many. So we have *72 and a phone number with area code, and that's where the call will be forwarded to. And if you dial this number, it's going to say call forwarded to, and it's going to repeat that phone number. Then if you want to turn that off at some point in the future, you just dial *73, and that's going to turn off the call forwarding. And something else you might want to turn off on your phone is all the ads on websites and in apps. This video shows you how to disable all ads on your phone, so check that out. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.